This video is presented by forextradertraining.info. Helpful advice about the forex market today. Trading forex could be the scariest thing you have ever done or just another day in your life. There is no quick fix method to making it in forex. The key is to utilize any and all advice you can get. The tips and ideas you will see here are for your benefit and should be used wisely. It might seem like a simple principle, but a lot of forex traders attempt to trade in areas of which they have no understanding. You should avoid this by only sticking with what you know. Trade what you understand and pretend the rest of the market doesn't even exist. Once you begin to profit, then you can think about expansion, but not before. If you are having trouble getting the hang of forex trading right out of the gate, you have to understand that it takes time. If you keep studying the markets and making informed investments, you are sure to make gains. You just have to keep on trucking, always remembering to follow the simple rules of forex trading. To make any kind of money from trading, you need to be able to recognize the current markets. You also need to have some self-awareness. You need to be able to recognize how much of a risk you are willing to take. It is important to look at your own goals, and not go overboard and also not invest too little. Learn how to do your own analysis of the market. Analysis of the forex market is very subjective. The analysis is very much tied into your trading strategy, so what works for your neighbor may not work for your method. Use others' analysis as a starting off point, but learn how to read the market yourself. Traders that allow themselves to become overwhelmed tend to make mistakes. If you are starting to realize that you are having a hard time understanding what it is that you are doing, then it is best to step away and clear your head before continuing on the same path. There are a few things that heavily affect the trading market. These things include interest, inflation rates, and exchange rates. These things should be paid attention to, as they can affect global trading of currency. The exchange rate can affect you directly too, because it affects the returns on your investments. Be sure to learn about everything that can affect the outcome of your trading. When developing your forex trading strategy, it is essential that you take your own motivations and temperament into consideration. If you are naturally a patient person, you will have a different strategy than if you are a risk-taking aggressive person. Paying attention to your temperament can help you choose a strategy that works for you. Now you have some useful information to help in your trading efforts. Remember that this advice is only useful if you incorporate it into your game plan. Failing sometimes in forex is bound to happen. However, failing to make use of good advice is an easy way to fail consistently. This video is presented by forextradertraining.info.